Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best insulated garage doors is probably one of the most important investments you can make to enhance your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and security. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect insulated garage door for your needs, covering factors such as insulation type, material, R-value, and overall cost, ensuring you make an informed decision that maximizes both functionality and aesthetics. Number 5. Garage door screen 16 by 7 feet. It installs in minutes with the included hook and loop strips. No tools are needed, making it a breeze to set up. This screen keeps out pesky animals and debris, letting in fresh air. Transform your garage into a usable space. It features a strong magnetic closure and extra gravity sticks, allowing easy walkthrough for people and pets. The added weights help it resist wind. Made with durable, tear-resistant fiberglass, it's also fireproof and corrosion-resistant. It's built to last. It fits garage doors up to 16 by 7 feet and is easily retractable for off-season storage. It's perfect for various applications. Remember to measure your garage door carefully before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. It's a simple step to avoid any issues. What we like. It boasts a strong magnetic closure and extra gravity sticks, ensuring easy walkthrough for both humans and pets. Its simple installation process makes setup a breeze. If you're looking for a durable, pet-friendly screen that's easy to install, this is the perfect choice for keeping pests out while enjoying a cool breeze in your garage. What people say. Installation was a breeze, and it covers the entire garage door area perfectly. The clever magnetic door slot allows for easy access in and out while keeping bugs at bay. Magnets are strong, great airflow, very strong and durable, screen is see-through and strong. It's heavy, hangs well, has great magnetic closure and doesn't obstruct the view. It was so easy to install. Number 4. 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. It efficiently blocks up to 95% of radiant heat. This significantly improves your home's energy efficiency and lowers your energy bills. It boasts 2 layers of 532-inch barrier bubble laminated between 2 layers of reflective polyethylene. This ensures more consistent R values for superior insulation. It requires no maintenance and is easy to install. Pre-cut panels mean you don't need any special tools or protective clothing. Everything you need is included: 8 reach barrier bubble insulation panels, adhesive tape, a cleaning sponge, and easy-to-follow instructions. With its pre-cut panels and included adhesive tape, installation is quick and simple. You'll be enjoying a warmer garage in no time. Reduce your energy costs and your carbon footprint with this highly effective insulation kit. It's a smart investment for your home. What we like. This kit effectively blocks up to 95% of radiant heat, significantly improving your garage's energy efficiency. The panels are easy to install and require no special tools or protective clothing. If you're looking to significantly reduce your energy bills and improve your garage's comfort, this insulation kit is a must-have. What people say. Each panel in the Reach Barrier Kit is 24x48. There's enough product to do 16, 24x24 panels per box. The panels trim neatly and easily with a box cutter. The advantage of the Reach Barrier product over the NASATECH is that I was able to install the cut panels without removing the hurricane straps. I'd estimate that the insulation alone drops the ambient temperature inside the garage 8 to 10 degrees in the heat of the day with full sun on the door. Number 3. STIC 001 Garage Door Insulation. This innovative insulation kit is designed for easy installation in your garage. It's perfect for keeping your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer, saving you money on energy bills. Installation is a breeze, it only takes 3 simple steps. No need for messy tapes, glues, or pins. It fits most standard 8-foot and 9-foot garage doors. This makes it a versatile solution for many homes. The panels are pre-scored for easy installation, so you won't need any special tools. Just snap them into place. The kit includes 8 high-impact polystyrene laminate panels, each measuring 20.25 h x 54 w x 1.25 thick. Everything you need is right here. Enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient garage with this simple and effective insulation solution. You'll notice the difference immediately. What we like. Installation is a snap with its simple 3-step process. No tools, tapes, or glues are required. It's designed to fit most standard garage doors. If you value a quick and easy installation without any fuss, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. Tools required are a sharp utility knife, measuring tape, straight edge and a marker of some type. Make sure you use a new blade in the utility knife for easier cuts and less mess. The tiles are extremely durable and bendable. The laminated side looks great in our otherwise roughly finished garage which badly needs a painting. Number 2. Matador Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit is designed for easy installation in your garage. It's perfect for keeping your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Installation is a breeze. No tapes, glues, or pins are needed. Just follow the simple instructions. It's designed to fit most standard 8-foot and 9-foot garage doors. It works with the existing framework of your garage door. The panels are already scored, making installation quick and easy. No special tools are required. The kit includes 8 high-impact polystyrene laminate panels. Each panel measures 23.25 inches high, 54 inches wide, and 1.25 inches thick. Remember, it's designed to fit into the existing framework of a standard garage door, not an aftermarket hurricane brace. What we like. This insulation kit offers a straightforward 3-step installation process, requiring no special tools or adhesives. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with standard garage doors. If you need a hassle-free installation that doesn't compromise on quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works amazingly, easy to install, minus the slight mess made when you cut these to size. Much easier to install than hundreds of foam plate. The Matador product differed from the cello foam in 2 ways. First, it seemed to bend easier for installation. Secondly, the Matador product had a slightly wider vinyl face. Using a temperature reading gun before finishing, I saw about a 6-degree difference between the insulated and uninsulated panels on the door. It's exactly the same as the insulation on my old garage door that was installed by the manufacturer. It was easy to cut to size and installing it was pretty easy. It made an instant difference in the garage once it was installed. Number 1. NASATECH 2-car garage door insulation kit. This kit is designed to significantly improve your garage's energy efficiency. It's easy to install and won't affect your garage door's operation. It creates an air pocket for superior insulation, achieving an impressive R8 rating. This helps keep your garage warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Featuring a super heavy-duty double-sided foam tape, installation is a breeze. It's lightweight and won't impact your garage door's performance. Reduce your heating and cooling costs by preventing heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. It's a smart investment for year-round savings. At 5/16-inch thick, it's the thickest reflective foam core insulation available. This ensures superior performance compared to thinner alternatives. It provides a clean, finished look. Plus, it's non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, and fiberglass-free for a healthy garage environment. What we like. It features a thick 5/16 foam core and Super Duty double-sided foam tape for superior insulation and a secure fit. Its lightweight design ensures easy installation without impacting garage door performance. If you want top-of-the-line insulation with an easy installation process, this is the product for you. What people say. Much more efficient and looks better. We completed the installation, with my wife helping, in about 5 hours. Easy to follow instructions and included everything. The quality of the material is outstanding, and it's clear that this is a durable and long-lasting solution. The reflective surface is not only effective in insulating, but it also brightens up the space, creating a cozy environment overall. This product is easy to install. I did it myself. Yes, I am a woman, alone, and it took me about 3h in total for a 2-car garage, about 16-foot wife door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.